What if the next big leap in space isn't a rocket but a laser, an AI, or even a quantum computer? We're standing at the edge of a new space age. In the next 10 to 30 years, 5 breakthrough technologies will change everything: how we travel, communicate, and even live in space. Get ready to explore tech that sounds like science fiction, but is becoming real. Welcome to AstroTechUniverse, where the future is now. Nuclear thermal propulsion. Chemical rockets got us to the moon, but they're too slow for the next era. Enter nuclear thermal propulsion, a system that uses a nuclear reactor to superheat hydrogen, blasting it out of a nozzle at extreme speed. It's twice as efficient as today's rockets. Can cut a Mars mission from 9 months to just 3 or 4. Reduces astronaut exposure to cosmic radiation. NASA and DARPA are already working on test flights by 2027. This could be the new engine of deep space travel. Artificial intelligence in spacecraft. The deeper we go, the harder it is for Earth to help. Light speed delays to Mars equals up to 40 minutes for a round-trip signal. That's where AI-powered systems come in. Self-diagnosing spacecraft, autonomous navigation and landing AI-driven exploration on moons like Europa or Titan. Real-time decision-making for disaster response in orbit. AI will become the co-pilot of space missions, replacing remote human control with smart, on-board autonomy. Space-based solar power. What if the clean energy of the future came from space? Space-based solar power collects sunlight 24/7 in orbit, converts it to microwaves, and beams it down to Earth. Why it's revolutionary? No atmosphere, equals constant energy, day or night, no clouds, weather, or pollution. Could power entire cities or lunar bases. China's already testing prototype systems. Japan plans a space solar farm by 2035. This could make space not just a place of exploration, but a source of unlimited clean energy. Light sail propulsion. Forget fuel. What if we ride light itself? Light sails, or solar sails, use photons, tiny packets of light, to slowly push spacecraft across space. No fuel, no engines, just momentum from lasers or sunlight. NASA's NEA Scout is testing this tech right now. The breakthrough Starshot project wants to use powerful Earth-based lasers to push a sail probe at 20% the speed of light, enough to reach Alpha Centauri in just 20 years. This is our ticket to interstellar exploration.
Self-replicating robots and 3D printing in space.
Sending humans is expensive. Sending infrastructure is worse. So what if machines could build space outposts themselves? 3D printers that use lunar or Martian soil to build structures. Self-replicating robots that mine and expand without needing resupply. On-demand manufacturing of tools, satellites, even habitats. NASA's Artemis mission includes lunar 3D printing experiments. This is the tech that makes permanent life beyond Earth possible, cheaply and sustainably. The future of space is no longer rockets alone. It's about intelligence, energy, materials, and ideas once thought impossible. From AI spacecraft to laser sails, nuclear engines to robotic builders, these 5 technologies are rewriting what's possible. Which one excites you the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you're ready to keep exploring the edge of the universe, hit subscribe. This is AstroTechUniverse, and we'll see you in the future.